cake or not?
Sure, pick the one you want.
Look, if you want me to have the blue one so bad, why did you bring two? Just give me the orange one. Smells delicious.
No, the blue one is better!
I'm allergic to...
What have I done?
The pills in my locker.
Which color?
The orange one.
Yo, what's that song that goes like, Despacito? Despacito? Yeah. Despacito. Yeah, what's the name? Oh my god, you're an idiot. Thank you. Okay, Alexa, play Oh My God, You're an Idiot.
Okay.
Argue with me.
But you're wrong.
Don't argue with me.
But you're wrong.
That's why you're the slowest in your class,
That's
bro.
why you don't have a girlfriend.
I'm about to end your whole career. You know Santa Claus isn't real, right?
What?
Right.
What?
Exactly.
Why would you say that?
No, because she had it coming.
Why would you
She had it coming. No, don't call mom now.
Oh, bro, it's you that I vibe with. As the Jaeger bomb walks in.
Both not human. Bitch, mommy, come get this bitch! Yeah! My bitch said you were ugly, weak ass, gray piece of shit.